A company that has witnessed India's sports history up and close for decades, National Sports has a long story to brag about when it comes to its experience and indulgence in the sports field business. Being a leading name in the Indian sports goods manufacturing industry for over 70 years, we have carved a niche for ourselves in the global sports goods market. We are based in Meerut, which is 60 kilometers from New Delhi, the capital of India. Our 3 factories are spread over 30,000 square yards, which cover around 300,000 square feet production area. We have a manpower of 600 skilled people across various departments. It was in the year 1952, the great visionary late Shri Kale Mahajan sowed the seeds of the company. The solid foundation laid by him was proficiently carried forward by his son, Mr. Satish Mahajan. Under his watchful eyes, we started manufacturing sports goods. Today, Mr. Satish Mahajan's sons, Mr. Ashish Mahajan and Mr. Kunal Mahajan, are taking the legacy forward. Under their astute management, the company has grown by leaps and bounds and has become a well-known brand in India and abroad. Today, National Sports is a leading exporter of sports goods and one of the fastest growing sports companies in India. We are awarded for excellence in exports by the Prime Minister of India. We are also recognized as the one with the highest number of exports of sports accessories from India by the Sports Goods Export Promotion Council. Moreover, we are a government-approved export house and has been receiving the Export Excellence Award for the last 30 years. In India, we are present in more than 800 retail counters and are available on major e-commerce portals. We manufacture more than 2,500 sports products across different sports domains. We are successfully exporting to 102 countries across the globe, and our clients include some of the most reputed brands and leading sports clubs. Our products are proudly made in India. National Sports' vision is to be a leading sports company in the world, driven by innovative sports goods that can improve player performance. Our mission is to achieve total customer satisfaction through product innovation, consistent quality, unmatched services, and competitive pricing. Our motto is to provide quality at the right price. To achieve this, we have all the necessary machines related to rubber molding, welding, lathe, precision grinding, surfacing, stitching, plastic molding, extrusion, and powder coating installed in-house. We are an ISO 9001, 2015 and SA 8000 certified company, following Total Quality Management (TQM) in our entire operations. The majority of our products have been approved by the IAAF, International Association of Athletic Federation, and have the CE marking for safety. Moreover, our TT tables are approved by TTFI, Table Tennis Federation of India. National Sports is a manufacturer that is as old as wise. As our nation's gaming culture, we strive to live up to our legacy and take out the best game for the field.